Hey there and welcome back to another video. On this video I'm going to talk about how you can active Q privilege in Top Heroes. So let's get started. So basically the Q village is right here. You can see this one. You just have to tap onto this and there we go. This is level 1 Q privilege. As you can see, you just can tap onto it and from there we can see this monthly pass. You can activate this monthly pass to enable auto hunt mode. Also you can also watch ads from here and get some bonuses, and if you buy this one you will get 1200 diamonds for free and all other things right here. And the daily gifts you can see right here, 80 diamonds per day, and all of these things. You can also buy them, like you have to buy them with 279.00 Filipino. And as you can see, this is a 60% off. You just can buy it with real money and there we go, you can get an extra March key and all of that things. So that's it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.